Welcome to the world of Insightful Iris, your guide to recognizing and rebuilding from toxic relationship patterns. Toxicity often lurks unnoticed, but today, we're pulling back the curtain. First, let's uncover the hidden signs. Are you constantly walking on eggshells? Does criticism feel relentless? Are you feeling isolated? These are red flags, signaling it's time for a change. Now breathe. Remember, you're not alone. There's strength in recognizing these patterns. Iris is here to show you how to reclaim your power. Step 1. Establish boundaries. They're your personal guardrails. They protect your self-esteem, your mental health, and affirm your worth. Step 2. Seek support. Reach out to trusted friends, family, or professionals. You're not burdening them, you're allowing them to be there for you. Step 3. Practice self-care. Listen to your needs, nourish your body, and nurture your mind. Self-love is your greatest ally, so break free from the chains of toxic patterns. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. With Insightful Iris by your side, navigate towards healthier relationships, one step at a time.